Afande PC ruhuka, afande PC ruhuka. Ibyo wakoze birahagije, ibyo wakoze birahagije. Dukeneye abantu bakunda abandi nka Rwigema, Kayitare, Adam Waswa, Kanyarewe, imfura ku mutima, Kagame ruhuka. Ibyo wakoresheje birahagije. We know everything done in darkness shall be brought to the light. Aho amaso y'abantu atagera, ay'Imana arahagera. Human rights must be respected. Everyone has the right to live. You look down on your own people, you don't even care about us. Kutareba kure kwawe, dora aho kutugejeje. Amahanga aratuvumira ku gasozi, amahanga aratuvumira. What you plant, don't you know, is what you reap. The wicked man thinks his word is such a strong fortress. He kills whom he wills, jails whom he wants. African Kim Jong-un, African Kim Jong-un. You're just human like us. No, you're not demigod. Hey, you're just human like us. Ushatse wachisha mati. Everything done in darkness shall be brought to the light. Everything done in darkness, secret, shall be known to the public. Aha amaso y'abantu atagera, ay'Imana arahagera. Ibuke those nights, yeah, ntabwo ugabona, ariko ijisho ry'Uhoraho ryari rihari, ariko ijisho ry'Uhoraho ryarabarebaga. Hey, human rights must be respected. Human rights must be respected. Everyone has the right to live. Down with this so-called demigods. You kill who you want. Who are you? You jail who you want. Who are you? Make justice prevail. Make justice prevail. Hey. Fear no man as long as you stand in truth. Fear no man as long as you stand in truth. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Check it. We've been purified by fire in tribulations. We've been purified by fire in tribulations. Yeshua is our King, the general at war. Hey, Yeshua is my King. He is a real general at war, the Prince of Peace. He is the King of Kings. You will bow down to him. You will bow down to him. Yeshua. Uwiteka niwe mbaraga z'abagendera mu kuri. Uwiteka niwe mbaraga z'abagendera mu kuri. Righteous fire upon them.